Are you looking for a rental in a 55-plus community? This home is ready for you with wood laminate floors, kitchen cabinets, most appliances and cabinets and fixtures in both bathrooms updated in the last year. The screened balcony has a fan and light and overlooks the pool area. The laundry room and elevator are just a short walk from your front door. You will enjoy the privacy and quiet area with only one wall shared. You will enjoy meeting your neighbors while lounging around the pool and playing tennis.